arrive in style with this Jeep 2020 Cherokee Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR with ESS, STD, quick order package 2BG included, engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR with ESS transmission, 9-speed 948 automatic, Stingray clear coat, tires, 225/55 R18 all-season, STD, black premium leather trim bucket seats, wheels, 18-inch x 7 inches polished painted aluminum, STD, gross vehicle weight, 5050 lbs, STD, 3.734 axle ratio, STD, and transmission, 9-speed 948 automatic, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule